In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to edit URLs in Shopify, a crucial aspect of SEO and site navigation that can significantly impact your e-commerce business. First, let's begin by navigating to your Shopify admin panel. You will need to go to the online store. Under the online store, you will see several options. Look for products or pages. Click on either of these options depending on whether you want to change URLs for a product or a page. Remember, these navigation steps will be the same for products and pages. It's just the item you're changing is different. Now, once you have opened up the list of products or pages, you should look for the exact item that you want to change the URL for. Click on that particular product or page to bring up its details. You will be taken to a page where you can see all the information related to the chosen item. Take your time and make all necessary amendments while there, and of course, do not rush, as each change can significantly contribute to the overall SEO optimization of your site. After you have selected the item, you will need to scroll down a bit to locate the Search Engine Listing Preview section. This section is especially useful for previewing exactly how your product or page will show up in search engine results. Within this section is the Edit Website SEO button. Clicking on this will allow you to change a variety of things, including the page title, description, and most importantly, for this tutorial, the URL. Within the URL and handle field, you will see the current URL of the item. We're now getting to the exciting part: actual editing. All you need to do is delete or overwrite the existing text in this field with your new URL. Try to make sure the new handle is descriptive and intuitive. Having a well-named URL can significantly improve the user experience and search engine ranking. Another interesting function offered by Shopify is the Create a URL Redirect feature, conveniently located in the same section as the URL field. Make sure you keep this option enabled. What does it do, you may ask? Well, it's pretty neat actually. This feature will automatically create a redirect from your old URL to the new one. This means any customer or anyone who clicks on the old URL will be redirected to the new URL, preventing the dreaded 404 page not found error. That's important because avoiding those broken link occurrences can also help your site's SEO. All right, we're almost done here. Once you've completed all these changes, just simply click on the Save button to enact all your changes. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to successfully editing a URL in Shopify. By mastering this simple process, you're on your way to improved navigability and SEO for your Shopify site.